What's going on, family? It's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety, and in this video we're going to talk about how to pass a firearm to another person. Let's go. Like I said, man, in this video, we're going to talk about how to pass a firearm to another person. In our training classes and our classes in general, sometimes we need to pass firearms to another person at the range, in the classroom, etc., etc. So right now, we're going to go over the steps of how to safely pass a firearm to another person. The first thing you want to do is make sure that the firearm is not loaded. That consists of dropping the magazine. This firearm does not have a magazine for training purposes. So the first thing you want to do is drop the magazine and lock your slide bag. Once your slide is locked back, you want to visually inspect the barrel to make sure the barrel and the feed ramp, just to make sure there's nothing in there. As you can see, this is a clear firearm. And what I like to do is simply grab the top of the firearm, keep it in a safe direction, and hand it to the person. Again, the firearm remains in a safe direction. Take the firearm, pass it to the person. That's it. You don't want to, here you go, take the firearm, have the barrel point at the person, etc., etc. Like I said, make sure the firearm is clear and simply hand it to the person like such. That's it. That's the easiest and safest way to hand a firearm to someone else. Hey, it's Dwight from Clark's Firearm Training and Safety. Be sure to check out our website, clarksfirearmtraining.com. You can get some merch, you can check out our classes, etc., etc. It's Dwight.